Hey everybody, welcome to Kayla x Shonie. I'm Kayla, and in today's video, you're going to see me DIYing a few different pieces of unique home decor. The pieces that I'm going to be DIYing is 2 pieces of art and 3 vases. Okay, so for 2 of the vases, I'm going to be using puffy paint to make a 3D design. I decided to go with a simple design on each vase, and right now you see me using a dry erase marker to do the design on the larger vase. You can really choose any design you want, but for me, the simpler the better. And I also chose to use a black dry erase marker because I wanted you to be able to see the design on the inside since I'm spray painting the vases white. If you don't want the design to show on the inside, choose a marker that matches the color of spray paint you're going to use. Now you see me using the puffy paint to trace the design on the vases. Make sure that the puffy paint also matches the color of the spray paint. Okay, you're gonna let the puffy paint dry for 24 hours. Then after that, it's time to spray paint. It took me about 4 or 5 coats to get it fully covered. Okay, so for the third vase, I wanted to make a ceramic looking vase. So in order to get this look, I took black acrylic paint and baking soda, mixed it together, and then I just kept applying the coats onto the vase until it was giving me the full coverage and the look that I was going for. It took me maybe about 4 coats, and then you also have to let it fully dry in between each coat. Okay, on to my first piece of artwork. I used silicone that I got from Home Depot. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that my camera died, but basically I used a caulk gun to spread a whole tube of silicone on the canvas. Then I used this little spreader to make an even coat of the silicone on the canvas. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to make sure you get it nice and even coverage. I'll be sure to list all of the items I used in this video in the description box below. Next, I took a plastic comb that I had sitting around and I just used it and traced a rainbow design on one side of the canvas. Then I flipped it and traced another rainbow design on the other side of the canvas, making sure that they overlap. You set it to the side and let it dry for 24 hours. With my last piece of artwork, I'm going to take a pencil and draw a simple design, and then I'm going to trace that design with puffy paint. To correct the imperfections you see, I used black acrylic paint and went over the whole background with it. Okay, now it's time to make the borders for my painting, and to do that, I just used a piece of wood that I got from Home Depot, measured the size of each artwork, and then I used the hand saw and cut it. I stained the wood with some stain I had laying around the house. I'll be sure to link that in the description box. And to attach the border, I use E6000 glue and hot glue, and I use a clamp to hold it in place for 24 hours. And here are my final results. I love the way all of the pieces turned out. I feel like all of them could fit into many different places, and you can mix and match it with many different pieces of home decor. If you have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comment box below. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you'll be aware of when we post a video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.